Say cheese. I say my bam say. Say me we see who papa.
Why every day you they bring matter,
Say we see kuru na that was an say na woko say. Emu sum papa. Hey,
I have no who you are.
Say dey any hu no kura say ye hu hwi o.
There.
Hey! Everyday. Jesus. Hey!
Hey. Dear Sam. Woman, you see Sam na dear Sam.
Because a bit symmetry when me have
dear see with him. Dear someone. And I mean call Opoku.
Christ Apostolic.
Sure.
Could you believe, say, hey, we are saying, I will be back one if you want.
Why we are meko? Why we are meko?
I will be back one if you want.
Yenim sa bo bi na bo bi be ka wan kan ko free wine.
E go free. And as be so anko kan papa, any red that.
Na papa dem ne ba bi yenim sa ko ka.
And that's some kito. And then you most so anti.
When you say ni mo sem na dey. Let's see come on. Kasem kula wo di yi. Who adey? Wo mama say
I say I'm surprised, I'm shocked. Say, me see me di mani to form nanse ho. And I'm who say santu ani ayi boy fanfula. And me first time o, and then you me no so. Couple of times. Me so mu gina ntokrom. Couple of times. Let's say to so bebre. Me so mu gina ntokrom. Enti first day me chembe honom. Me tie nkomo na mu ya me na kakra.
Me ya interested wo asem na wo kan.
Yes, senti na me buy na me di kan de tragedy na di kan no. Ansa na my explain na nkasa movie na nkasa achiro. Mu je tokrom timi ya na me ben ho. Na ti nkomo say asanto ane fanfula twempna.
Can't you shame? Are you sure what you're saying?
Twempne more den e no mo mpna twe na nye no. Ultimatums way back ground son of mobile school
fanfula we na woni nam ha no ene afa asanto
puna say na nya mpra twe kuma bi o de mu odene
na school wa ye ma mo woni sasa ne ma we mu nyai
de enti kura me bebo amane ena nyinsen no eye fanfula dia
na se nyinsen de fanfula dia me asanto ano me ni hye
ba bia duru na nya ntro
asanto tie
ba bia duru na ntro
asanto a me ni hye o sa kika na mo kika no me ni hye o na sa fanfula na wono no school mu na yesi ma mo nye sa de no a woni asanto atwempra na asanto a wagimi
onene twa na nkomo akoso no so nkomo na omu wie ye omu kono na sa hage na sa fina no eno kura ne kumi no
ofi hwan no
fi asanto no wa yiri ni say gripping say we won gripping wa gripping ni say no
ono na so kune wa gripping no fanfula no sisi asanto ano
wa gripping na she wan say kune
asanto ayi cheap
na no ofi fina
asanto ayi cheap
asema American fifina no na ni abre fifina no na say eh say dey ko school mu ani
to are you cheap
ya dan ye na gwa bontene say ya dan so ye na gwa bontene
fanfula ne nam school wa na pe no
enye so obi si o say me opoku me say enti nyi say ne de me nya sure say ya wo
dia me say nya me ajaje wo kire no na me afanto me ni hweye school mu na me pe obi asem enam na obi edi agoro asanto anya me hie o let me tell you the truth
nyi say maye na maye no kra no anya
adwuma
still na me
obi me di agoro onya me hwe but the ye me ya say wo asanto are you cheap
me say the ekoso
asanto are you cheap
internet sem ho ye pon preps ye nyina ye kodom o ye nyina ye kodom o na asanto wa ne ayinko akalas oni fanfula akalas oma kalas a mi makote kube dua ye si ayi canteen ho no makote ho na me hwe omudin no so omo fa ayi washroom no ayi baby omo Johnson ne ma ne dwa ho
so mo se wani hu twaso mati me das pa why
senti ye bibi fa ho nyi se ne de me nyo se ye wa
be si wono me nya me hwe o me ne di agoro keke
still I
want you be mash waso o what
still you are denying
are you stupid
See, you are denying.
I'm not denying it.
But the thing is true.
What true? Do you have evidence?
You and Santua.
Do you have evidence?
Yeah, I have evidence.
Stop shit, man. I
Say,
said stop shit.
phone.
Stop that shit, man.
Yeah, say no, I need send you a PBB phone. Because fanfula. No,
fanfula.
Say, Miss Onene Shisha. Onene Shisha. Na Saturday no. Saturday no said you me again. Oh, see me no. Fenano. And I'm saying, hey, Suku Bakopa you won. School where the minute say no. How? No muketrema. Hey. See. Now you dey do me lomo. This thing no be normal. Yeah, the radi lover, you dey do me lomo.
The song is it.
Yeah. Hey, so until Pehu be here, why? Okay.
Are you pushing up pampula?
Oh, finna no the katrema to katremo. Anu to anu teso to teso.
Are you see pampula clear?
Yeah.
Are you see pampula?
I see I'm clear.
Santua, you are a cheap.
You are a cheap. Say I send me the other show kakra.
No, stop in the office.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Still our office would deny you saying you. Ebi e den ayo no a. E den no. Me school mara me wono. Ba me ho anoma akoko ne. Me ko atifi ko hunu nsu a ma ba na afo na ma bibisa. E den na nsu na ni ye red. Enso na ye mia. E kupe e na dupe.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso.
My love.
Yes, babe.
My happiness.
Yes, babe.
My one and only sweetheart. My darling. My everything, you know. My one in a million, you know, just like my heart. Like, show you rare. You are rare. Like, you're not someone that is common to find. Do you know that? Someone whose beauty competes with that of the sun, with that of the moon. In fact, you're more dazzling than a sunset. Do you know that? I'm very racist. You're a poignant masterpiece. Oh my goodness, original boom because you are it's too romantic. It's too romantic. Now, by God's grace, also, we be on some chin there. So that one also good.
Nah, I'll be there. Around that.
That's what.
Around that.
That's simple. See, I can consult money now today. I'm on phantom train that's a bra from Philadelphia on which match. Beautiful girl. There. Now, there's someone who said, but someone who can consult. I'm going to say, nigga, no, the agenda, no, I don't know.
I'm going to say, nigga,
oh, you are powerful. Down. That in fact, your touch ignites a flame in me. A very, very, very strong flame. You know, a flame that gives me the strength to wake up every day just to see your beautiful face. I'm doing very, very serious. And that's my meeting. I'm interested. I'm going to stuff. I'm inside. I'm from more for one day.
Hey,
oh, I'm a dead. Edge.
So you're ready to stop?
Oh, let's stop me out with you. I'll be jigging for you. If I want some time,
oh, the message line.
Come with us inside. What's your son?
Yeah. How many rounds?
No, it's my 10.
Hey.
Only me on. Me say oh, the way I mean sit na here. How I na be crown so we can't tell what. Hey, Mr.
Strong and mighty.
Strong and mighty. Strong and mighty.
I see.
I see her. That one day you shouldn't worry at all.
You're my baby.
Baby girl, that's
Can give it to me, Hoto.
Come on, there. It shouldn't be a problem for you at all.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Asema na meka na udi machinya no. Asema na meka na udi machinya no. When you akosi brand was feeling. See is believing. When you do when you ko bi o.
Aye me won.
Meka na udi machinya na ai awa Iddi e wono obefa ne ya atwempona. So bi
Na fanfula.
asa ye won wo fa na chiguho. Na chiguho wo fa kura be kom ne hu ni ho. Ubukum fanfula na ne ke ne nyam.
Na se de ko hu ye de sa na. Sa me sa no mi trim.
Fanfula na ne ge ne nyam na ompeso mu yi hye wo fa. Bla fa na si fomu.
How no nam school mu ha din innocent. Eh.
Na say we dey wan hwe. Wei. First time am ko chi o mo bo naked. First
Fanfula na
time.
santua.
Hwe. O mo bo naked o. No mo shoto kru bi na ko pio mo so. Ba o ma hume. Sa de me ko sem flama. To ma hume. Na me teba bi din no mo ye nioma. I say, hey. Ayi why you move with that? 365 days.
Na.
Ah, o do pocket film o.
No
O pocket film.
de.
Oh, omo mimi no mo de dada no.
Na de sa na man.
Bra, enu bi no mu yi na. Style so mu yi wo tokro nim no. I say, hey. Na me hu si etimi gina ho, oba etimi gina ho ma be ma ne dada. Na me hu bi da.
Opoku ni fanfula ni
asantoa. Hwe, bra. Se ni o ma ko school mo na me no. Satellite no na me say to school mo anyina but satellite.
Eno e de.
Ai light bi na ya boss no. Se me mani sanity. Na me nim se me satellite na to bia so school mo a. Se na me ti guo. Ansa na me be hu se ni se na ekoso. Na de ni nyame o. De ni nyame. Mo ko preps man ko bi me se me fe tire ayi twobos no kam be bu ani ayi gale ni bi. Ti me buy me fe to me ti kukuru na mkote. Bobo naked. Ni naked.
Fanfula. Nese asantua ne fanfula na nyim.
Oni no.
Me defend me wo fa. Oni na nyim.
Fanfula ne be ma ho tumbi.
Ba ko no.
Ah, obi obo naked ni hu ne be ma. Obi o ye kokko ni be ma ho tum. Ana no ye yellow. Hey. Yes. Boy.
I'm in Pankwan, I'm in the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso.
Asantua. I give you warning, strong warning. Asantua. I give you strong warning. Hey, fanfula ne dia na ne ye ne sa no.
Fanfula.
Ejei na wone fanfula ye ne sa no.
Me ne fanfula.
Ha, Asantua, can't you shame? O probini na kwa twempna. Fanfula na ne twempna.
My. When men kwatna se nkwadwin bibi hu nhyeda fa asem to me so. Me ne fanfula me.
Asantua, se odi agro ha. Me ba wasuma ma akora ne be yi ato.
My me obebo me.
Me ba wasuma akora ne be yi me be u me kun.
Sani se hu.
Asantua, se me ba wasuma akora ne be frato.
Obebo me masum.
Asantua, me be u me kun.
Na de owu obebo me masum.
Ka me ka tonyin sen no. Emunyin sen so nkyere bibiem. Efiti na akora me ne ye ni hye ye biem. Ko fanfula ha wo ni fanfula ni mienu no. Ekwan a mo be fa so a mo di nyinsan ne be ye. Mo mfa so na mo hu de mo be ye nyinsan.
Why they catch us me ne fanfula?
Me see ekwan a mo be fa so a ne fanfula. Mo nyinsan ne samo be wo. Samo be ye dai enye masem.
Nyinsan.
Na wo nim efiti na akora. Wo jimi a wo. Me be o me kun Asantua, me bro.
Council bed.
Me bro.
Car bed.
Me catch you. Me see efiti na akora nyinsan enye me dia.
What dia?
Enye me dia.
What dia?
Catch you there.
What dia?
What dia akora?
My pome.
Me bu. Me frato.
Bome.
Ko e ko fa fanfula.
Me ko fa.
Kwa mo be fa so a mo be ye munyinsan. Wonya mo ade ba.
David, my. She. Na one edit how kwase asem se me ne fanfula na fanfula ni school mu ha say. O ye madam fo. My.
Yeah, I'm in Pankwan, I'm in the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso with Maya. Me person me come any months with your Maya. Oh Lord, I pray let her.
Precious.
Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Oh. Can't you talk?
I'm fine.
You just did like this.
Isn't this positivity? So this means I'm fine.
You are changing.
How are you?
I'm not fine.
Why aren't you fine?
It's because of you.
How is that because of you?
Precious, you are really breaking my heart.
If you are not ready to publicize this, I'm not ready to have this conversation.
So, Precious, till when? Till when are you going to understand me?
You used to tell when are you going to understand me? Am I the only one who is supposed to understand you? You're also supposed to understand me.
So you see this whole thing as I don't love you or what?
Yes.
Precious.
You probably have someone else.
I don't have anyone and I can never have anyone.
If you really love me, you would be very proud to show people that I'm your girlfriend. So what do you mean by you love me and then you want us to be a secret?
Precious, we are not making this secret because of others. So it's just because of my uncle. We are not hiding it from our colleagues, or we are not hiding it from anyone on this campus apart from my uncle. He's the main reason why.
But when you see when we are together and then someone else is coming and it's not your uncle, you leave me behind.
That person will go and tell my uncle.
That means others are also concerned.
Precious, we don't work with my uncle here on this campus. But how does my uncle get to know about us?
So obviously you don't want any other person to know about us. So don't say your it's not about others, it's just your uncle. You are relating everybody. I don't know what to say again.
Precious, if you're in love with someone, the public is not supposed to know that before.
Who said? Supposed to? Who said? Hey, when people are getting married, isn't it a public thing?
That one is marriage. That one is marriage.
No.
In this school, there are a lot of people that are dating secretly.
Like, I mean, most of the people that I know who are dating, we all know those who are dating. When Seer was dating Aroma, it was public. Everybody knew it. We know everything. Nobody in this school is dating secretly.
I don't know why you are just trying to be very difficult. I mean, do you know even
what?
You know Asantua and Von from Fula? They are even dating secretly in this.
Hey, Asantua and Von. Can you even imagine this combo? If you want to lie well. Asantua and Michael, chill.
Asantua and Von, they are
Asantua and Von.
Yes.
Oh, come on, I don't believe this.
You won't believe it because it's not public. They are doing it low key.
Really?
Yeah.
You saw them?
I saw them. I saw them.
You've seen them before?
I saw them with my real eyes with Opoku.
How would you know that?
They were romancing.
Really?
And a secret. You know, I even came to see them here. This staircase.
Just here?
Just here. Asantua was in front and Vaughn was at the back. They were romancing. They were talking about their relationship. That's when I got to know that they started dating long time.
Wow. That's really weird.
And with the news or information that I've got in Crown, Asantua's pregnancy is for Vaughn. It's not for my uncle.
You don't mean it.
There are a lot of secret stuff going on this campus, Precious. There are a lot of secret stuff going on.
Can get into trouble because of this.
Yeah.
But the fact that they are keeping their relationship a secret doesn't mean I cannot publicize mine. And you see, Asantua is dating MIA and is dating Vaughn. Because she's keeping it a secret, she can freely do anything she wants. She can date both. What if you are dating two girls and then the other relationship is also a secret? You are dating both of us at the same time. This is exactly what I mean. You gave me a very vivid example. That's all I needed. You are dating I and another girl. That's the same way as I'm dating MIA and Vaughn.
I'm not dating anyone and I cannot date anyone apart from.
Then prove it to me. Prove it to me by making this public. Or else I'm not ready.
Is that the only way I can prove it to you? Yes. By making it public?
Yes. That's the only way. If you have nothing to say, you can leave.
Are you sacking me?
Of course.
Wow.
Please leave. I can tell you I'm not ready to accept it. So leave. If you won't leave, I'll leave. So just leave. I don't want to be disrespectful. Just leave. I'm waiting for you to leave.
Pressure, should I leave?
Yeah, me pen when I mean you the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso with me yeah. Me person me come any months I drum me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray let
Aroma. And then the Cassages to war gist. Aroma. And then they did to Bible no name come out. Eh? Could you believe, sir? Sabo no my friend you know. Boy, Fanfulano. I Von. Ubeje is one year Santo Twimpla. 1 year Santo Twimpla more than na me say. Adam di mani hu no eje me nsa se o mu hyehyɛ ho na me si dey na enani tilis si de o mu si fifi o ma no otokuro bim no if Aroma because I na me di confrontation no ma jimijimi. Proverbs chapter 2 verse 4. Look for wisdom like silver. Search for it like hidden treasure. What you saying? Yeah, okay. They say, "Oh, na tias, oh na kan Bible." Na me bisa say.
Look for wisdom like silver.
Subject tree.
Search for it like hidden treasure. Opoku say, "What hwehwe nyansa na wahu nyansa." Anka bohu say, "Enye obi asem na wo say found."
Ana kan san kwatese. Proverb no kan san kwatese.
Opoku obi asem di opoku e fa ho ben. Now the only mutual so do 5 no say then you will understand what it means to respect the Lord. And you will come to know God. Say amen.
Amen.
Good. Then you understand what it means to respect the Lord. Opoku say, "Oh, hwe nyansa na hu nyansa." Ube hu say, "Ah, e wom say me di ni di ma Nyankopon." Na obesan so atinyame ase. Say amen.
Amen.
Henceforth, say ankwase adin Aroma na embo pie mu anim. Now if me brother James. So who me now ntimi kan brother na betimi aka James. Na asumdwe kwan so. That was about say ye drew ye hwe ayi ho a o de to so na ye drew aha o kan asem bi fa ayi ho oh em say ayi ho aha o say Proverbs chapter chapter 5
ni be di konkonsa kire na untie no anse untie na wachima tenase we ye hu ani
chapter 5
from chapter 1 from nipa bi penny bla brekura no the Bible say mu be ebe ye adayan nyame asem
the Lord
from
everything
from
the Lord he clearly sees everything.
He cry one sees everyone.
And I make him no.
Nipa ni bla bre no abetena no abetena the Bible sem Bible.
Yes.
Bible no me bisa ni sika mama mi sika ko twa dwane adi. Bra, this time around any bra bre no me down the Bible say sem o. Hey,
the Lord clearly sees everything.
Can't be a German nipa ni bra bre or this time around no betna the Lord said
everything you do the Lord sees it. I'm telling you, I did get what me idea hinta nyameda.
Boy nene gen ne twempra me ka kire wa me be di konkonsan kire na so dia tu tirima. Udi nkoma no nya bia kan. Wo be gina Bible sem.
Okay, verse 4 no. I said look for wisdom like silver and search for it like hidden treasure. Opoku kwa hwehwe nyansa na hu nyansa. Why?
Because ko hu Jimmy na ma hu Jimmy. Wo mistake me search be hu ani so am ato akire wate.
My body afofo Opoku.
Sia.
Onim sanka oni Aroma na kasa mrei wanu free moja.
Where watch there.
But brother James.
Aroma he. Who mistake here on? Aroma mistake here on.
Nyame
Oboda mesi dwoma taba. Se me ma bo ma hwene buagu no.
Lord forgive him.
Saman kete.
Rade fa ne boni che no.
Jisu kenka. Rade fa wa boni che no.
Onim ne oye.
Rade fa wa to training ti se wo. Asia yenimo.
That is my past identity.
That was your past identity.
Nipa biara wa past identity. So that is my past.
Shut away.
Now me then me as some men so my body for fro.
Obodo me be di konkonsa kire no antia. Eno an say opoku mi ntia. Na wo be preach me. Wo na be preach me.
Evil people will die because they don't have no self-control.
Wo ye kwase ya aboa ye jimi what?
23 na cancer Proverbs verse 5 verse 23 verse 5 chapter 5 verse 23. What's that?
Evil people
will die because they have
me pe get kra mi nya bi.
Yeah, me pen kwana me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we me ya. Me pese me come any monster jam me.
Yeah, oh yeah, no.
All right. Me show Opoku.
You show Opoku. Oh wow. The first Saucy Chairman.
Ade.
Oh, Ade.
Opoku na very sure in Pacho.
Okay, sorry, Opoku Mapi.
From Mrs. Young's member.
Oh, now, on Scanty Mapi, or more, I think so. I'm town.
All right. What's it?
Saucy, you want for power? Okay, so, obit me the number, mammy, said a bear Opoku bar me flow.
So, what's on Hammy?
Oh, now, me house, I say.
Okay, Matsu.
Send me any business, Diana. It's no Opoku bar me flow now, on in Akosa. All right.
Sure.
Sure. Hey, bow. I don't want number near 9.
Pacho kind
Sorry. Pacho Matinti, any Oba me fro.
All right. Oba, catch on some sauce version.
Okay, all right, sure. Okoyefa. Seer, Okoyefa.
Kushia mi papa.
Seer, kushia papa. Na wa chimi John yo. Me mani ati o. O pese o chim say Seer mi ujimi kire me na bo style bi ebu to nyame. I want to so chim so one guy say na so dey. Me so Okoyefa.
Kushia mi friend.
Kushia papa. After the also kushia friend. Seer, you cry no dey there. Now why na so chim say? I'm not so say. Seer, me do nyame me Jimmy. Seer.
Yeah, me pen kwana me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we me ya. Me pese me come any monster jam me ya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my.
Asaswa, what's up? Why did you call me from the room?
Charlie, some haba no.
Asema haba sezin. Asantu akase.
Minimum. Minimum.
Maybe no you okay there. When you sezin. I tell akwani wine there.
Nyenye wala hwan.
Me. Na me mitimi nyimo bi.
Wa bodam papa so untimi nyimo obi. Obi a osu nya bi de ugina me so agi se me pa wa che wansa.
Miss From catch him say you can agro because
I'm not joking, I'm serious.
Hey. My chest.
O chest I dey.
You okay? Baby no come into. Asantu wa Miss catch him say agro.
Enya agro na me dio, me serious.
God my brother was you. I dey ajibi kwa kwande, ready. Let try.
Hey, Jina ho. We be ma Jina ho.
We no dey. Na dey
okay. Society.
No grand na we. Hey, Mr. Nti akwane
say me wo.
We dey.
Me wo.
Person say me life crown.
Me say life say.
Hey, ready.
Na who di need the man say wo life. Na say ana ni say amba na me be say wo life. Ma me nya sa no de wo.
Everybody, man, be kume. Everybody, man, be kume. Uncle, Mr. Say that you
Sakura, baby, they no be. Want me for oh, any part, want me for no.
Everybody. Hey, wahame.
Mema how?
Everybody.
Now, what do I have?
Man, be kume. Ah.